Okay. This is the first time for
butternut squash.
butternut squash. This is the second time for baby food. Right? Open. Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, look at his face.
What's the cream?
Do you like it, Connor?
Is it yummy? Yummy? Do you like it? Yeah, there's a smile.
Num num.
I guess I have to start slower. A little
Good
bit.
boy.
There. A nice taste.
Good boy.
Try this one.
Good boy.
Good boy.
He's eating it. Yay.
A little bit. Spit up.
Maybe not much.
I'm eating the happy thing.
Are you? Is it yummy? She's got a big creamy mustache. Look at the camera. Oh, Cordy.
And she's eating the happy face.
Your turn, Connor. Eat. He wants to chew on a spoon. He's playing around with it though. It's good. Good boy.
Good. Is that a swallow? Is that a swallow?